Whether you have a Bigfoot or a big truck, Rough Country's XL2 drop steps are the perfect solution for easily entering your vehicle. Before you begin installation, review the included instructions and verify that you have all the required parts and hardware before proceeding. You'll also want to verify that you have all the proper tools before disassembling your vehicle. To begin installation, locate the nut plate in your kit box. Install the nut plate onto the step. Locate the driver's side mounting bracket. Install the mounting bracket onto the step using the supplied bolts, lock washers, and flat washers. Do not tighten at this time. Install the 2 remaining nut plates and mounting brackets onto the driver's side step using the supplied hardware. Next, remove the threaded plastic plugs from the holes your mounted bolts will go in. Install the step onto the vehicle using the supplied bolts, lock washers, and flat washers. Adjust the step to the desired location, front to rear on the vehicle. Tighten the hardware in the 3 mounting brackets to the step using a 13mm wrench. Repeat the previous steps on the passenger side of the vehicle. As you can see, the cab-link drop step design was engineered to complement the look of a large lifted truck while providing the optimal step height for easy entry into your vehicle.